No, when a guy wants you, he wants you, right? You don't want him, right? Meaning that you don't have to give him attention.
Alright, boo. Please don't interrupt her, guys, please.
You could have any guy that you want.
Really?
I don't have to respond to any guy. If you want my attention, do something to get it. Or else, move on. There is so many men to choose from.
It won't work out for you. Uzohlala usingle wenza amavideo anje stim.
Ain't no way, boy.
There's a lot of men to choose from. But unfortunately, the men that you want wouldn't choose you as a first option. This is a typical example of a woman who's trying to subconsciously keep other females single just because something bad happened to her.
Wow, you so bad.
Makes sense.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
I'd be smashing and moving on. Nothing too much. You'd be used for practice.
Yo.
Increasing my sexual skills. Nothing too hectic.
Hi, gotcha.
I'm not a grasshopper. I'm a toothpick. Toothpick.
Uyahleka. Nisinekani ngempela?
Funa nobambe lamagama.
No one here is safe.
Dango.